All right, just to finish this series of videos for now, because this is actually the first part of this application. I will add more things, but now I'm gonna just use it at my job. I've been using it actually, but so I have my meetings with parents and with other teachers, and actually write my own my own reports. I'm gonna use it. Okay, so I already built this this content with ChatGPT. Let's just ask it to write another similar report, um, but focus on what language arts. Okay, let's see. Reading, writing, language arts performance for Peter Pan. Alright, Mr. Peter Pan is gonna get a new report, and this is actually a report for March the 3rd, so it's gonna appear as older. And the first topic, yeah, actually something really cool that I do is just start writing the content here. Let's say parents are speaking or whoever, a psychologist or something, and I review this content and I summarize it here. So this is actually reading. I can say reading comprehension. I submit it and I know that topic one is reading. Okay, and then I get I get this report I'm listening or as I'm summarizing or whatever. I can say then after I finish writing the content, I say that this is content, and the report is getting bigger. But now reading's content, writing's content, I can delete it, of course. I can edit it here, and let's go to, let's see, participation, and these are discussions, of course. So let's just say add a new topic. This is discussions, and this is the body of the topic. And I just want to make a longer topic, longer report, creative expression. So here, over here, so making topic number 4. You can make as many topics you want. Okay, creativity. But something cool in creativity, and something I love about JavaScript and no other language can match is that it's real life, like with live data. Whatever I click on is reactive. It's like React, as a library from the JavaScript ecosystem. It's very popular, the most popular one. And JavaScript, in the backend with Node.js, super fast. I don't think Python will match it, and only one language. Everything happens immediately. And I know they're gonna come out with a new update, React 19, which is gonna have even more. Everything is gonna be more integrated with React server components. I know, and server actions. Nothing's gonna match it, so I'm gonna have to keep on learning JavaScript for the future. All right, so let's just write the conclusions, and I want to show you what I mean by speed conclusions. So usually in a website, well, this is the local host and everything, but when I deploy this, I know it lags a little bit. I mean, it's a little bit slower than what I'm gonna show you, but not that different. And there's no loading here. I don't have to overload the server. So when I save this, actually, I didn't show that validation. If I submit here, it's not gonna work because I didn't fill out the title, and this is gonna be language and arts, and I already have the topic. So this is very reactive. When I submit this, the update is gonna show immediately. Nothing's gonna be loading here, and that's the way it should be. As teachers, you want data to be reactive, real life. So 1, 2, 3, submit. Ta-da! Here it is. Where language arts, all the data transformed. So it's nicely seen. Have all the buttons here. Writing. Let's say I forgot to add a new topic, which is grammar and mechanics. So I do it immediately with the buttons that I have here. I don't have to look for something in the menu or, you know, go to another link on everything. Everything's here. Buttons are here to be used immediately. So I'm gonna add this new content, which is grammar, and I submit that, and it's gonna show here just instantly the way I love it, the way JavaScript loves it. So this report has reading. You can read it, click on it, read it, click on it, read it. You don't have to scroll the way down to read your topics, and you can actually see all the topics here in one place and the conclusion here. And this is a better way to look at your reports, and they're all gonna pile up here. If you have a cell phone, it's gonna look like this. All this content is gonna, you see, this content is gonna wrap with CSS, flex display, and well, so this is why I'm in love with my app, and I'm gonna continue developing and showing my skills here for future collaborations, future employment, who knows, and maybe making this a business or just helping teachers, helping friends keep their data organized, and thinking about adding to-do lists, maybe. I already tried with a PHP app. So I'm thinking about it with JavaScript would be awesome, things being refreshed immediately. And I'll make this grow, of course. This is an app that I'll keep building. So far, I've dedicated like 2 weeks, I guess, but working like 5 days full time, many hours. But yeah, I love this. Okay, so thanks for taking your time to watch.